Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to the charming community of Biscay Bay, nestled on Newfoundland's Avalon Peninsula. This small area is known for its rich history, stunning landscapes, and warm hospitality. Biscay Bay is situated approximately halfway between the towns of Portugal Cove South and Trepassey, at the mouth of the Biscay Bay River. The name Biscay Bay is believed to be inspired by the Bay of Biscay, a gulf of the Northeast Atlantic Ocean located south of the Celtic Sea, along the western coast of France and the northern coast of Spain. This connection hints at the influence of early European explorers and fishermen, particularly from the Basque region, who frequented Newfoundland's shores in the 16th century. The area's unspoiled landscapes offer a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. Visitors can enjoy coastal hikes, birdwatching, and breathtaking ocean vistas. The proximity to other scenic spots on the Avalon Peninsula makes Biscay Bay an excellent base for exploring the region's natural beauty. Biscay Bay may be small in size, but it's rich in history and natural charm. Whether you're interested in its maritime heritage, stunning landscapes, or simply the warmth of its community, this Newfoundland gem has something to offer everyone.
Thanks for watching!